Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and today I'm getting into a few boxes of my Christmas decorations, so I thought I'd take you along again. I hope you're enjoying discovering what's in them. This box has some smaller boxes of Christmas ornaments and a few Santas. I like collecting these smaller boxes of ornaments. I love miniature things, and it always surprises me how many different designs and patterns and images are on these boxes. And when you stack them up, you see different fonts, logos, brands, and designs. And I like that graphic look, and I'm really drawn to things that are in their original packaging. This one even has an original price tag, and it's just amazing that it would have been 9 cents. This is an interesting box because it doesn't have any cellophane. Most of them have that so you can see the color or the size of the ornaments through the top of the box. I found this little shaker at my church rummage sale. It was very few vintage Christmas items, but this was one of them. It's missing its match, but I just loved those little rosy cheeks on that Santa. And this is a paper piece. I was at an estate sale and it came with a little sleigh. And on the bottom, it was written 1922. So that was really awesome that the original date was on there. I don't really buy decorations at the store, so I don't buy something new to put the date on it. But if you do, that could be a nice little tradition that you start. I'll have to repair the top part of this box. I found this at an antique mall a few years ago, and I have a lot of overhead projector film since we don't use overheads anymore. You just cut it, little Elmer's glue, and it's, I want to say as good as new, but might be better than new. I found these two Santas that you're about to see at an estate sale. I got a little purse and some other decorations. I probably spent about $8 total. So that was a great price to get both of these Santas for, and then some. But they were in rough condition, and I basically gave them an overhaul. I cleaned their faces, gave them new bottle brush trees, painted their outfits. I gave the one new legs. They got new beards, new little stars, new pipe cleaner trim. They just really needed to be cleaned up. And just some little decorations to pop here and there. I have some sleighs that I like to display the Santas in, and little boxes and bottle brush trees are nice to pop in there to complete the look. So this is a little glittered piece, and I have definitely been trying to find older Christmas, especially things marked Germany, and there's a little stamp on the bottom of that piece. That stamp, very similar to some of the older nativity figurines and scenes. A set of the mini Santa mugs, that's the size that I like to collect, is the small ones. And there's a lot of different designs with them as well. They're not all the same. And I just think it's awesome that I have that little box that they came in. A few little boxes I've picked up at estate sales that are wrapped in Christmas wrapping paper. Some Christmas seals in their original packaging. I remember finding that at a flea market at a high school, and I thought it was really awesome that I found something that I really love to collect at an unexpected spot, like a flea market fundraiser at a high school. These are some of the Scotch tape rolls that have the pattern tape, and I found most of those at my church's rummage sale a few years ago. I think they were the first ones I ever found, and I was very excited. And every time you open a box, you can expect to find something inside, so we have even more little ornament boxes. And Denison seals, these are great for Christmas with the red and white and the star. Little Christmas tags. I said I always wanted to open up a little display that looked like a vintage Woolworths, and I've got the inventory. Look at that with the original price tag and handwritten. So we've got another box here. Price tag, what did that say, 5 cents? Just wild. And look, more ornament boxes. This box with the green ones, they are so tiny. I mean, talk about going on one of your smallest trees. So I love to stack the boxes. They kind of look like a Christmas tree. And I've never seen a package like this. This was actually a gift. A larger size ornament. I love that image on the side. This is probably one of my favorite boxes. Another box wrapped with some Christmas wrapping paper. You can display those. They can create some height in your scene so some of your small things won't get lost in the back. But they're also really good for storage, especially, beautiful storage, festive storage, lets you know what's in the box. I love those little pine cone elves that have the plastic faces. A lot of them always look like they're playing some instrument, so it's like a little band. This Santa skier, I believe I found him last Christmas. Got some deer girly candles. The one is a Rudolph because he's got a red nose. And oh look, another little ornament box. So I've just started to put some of these things out. I don't put everything out when I share what's in the box. I'm just putting some things here and there as I go. I'm shuffling some things as well. So come back soon. I'll go through another box and share some more decorating.